Accelerating cyber growth through strategic partnerships was the overarching theme of CyberCube's Foresight conference in New York. I'm Yvette Essen, Head of Content, Communications and Creative for CyberCube in America, where we've been gathering together across the industry to talk about some of the key themes that the cyber reinsurance community needs to be aware of. But what is Foresight? Rebecca Boll, Head of Industry Engagement, explains.
Foresight is CyberCube's user conference, which is designed to bring together our community of clients and partners who are at the forefront of cyber risk analytics. We host the event twice each year, once in London and once in New York, and we have a combination of speakers from among our client and partner organisations, and also from CyberCube, where we discuss some of the leading themes in cyber risk analytics.
Some 150 people registered for our event, and 9 external speakers joined us to talk about a variety of topics. They range broadly across a number of issues, for example, with regards to single predictive analytics. We also looked in more depth at a counterfactual analysis of events, of things that could have happened and how events could have spanned and changed had different factors occurred. The role of the broker was also an important theme, and we talked about how brokers were facing different challenges and also the opportunities that they had in front of them. Artificial intelligence also appeared as a strong theme, with Ashwin Kashyap, co-founder and chief product officer, talking about how we utilise AI at CyberCube in our product development and offerings.
Today, we are introducing a new theme around how we are utilizing AI in a secure, responsible way.
Partnerships was a key theme that encompassed all of the different sessions, and it was certainly something that was discussed very broadly in our technology partnerships session. To round off the event, we were delighted to have a keynote speaker from the US government.
And with that, please put your hands together and join me in welcoming Director Stephen Sutz.
Partnerships being the theme of the event was certainly echoed throughout the conference, particularly with regards to creating lots of opportunities for networking over the course of the day. For CyberCube in New York, I'm Yvette Essen.